video, we're going to be talking about dropshipping to millions. And what I'm about to show you is going to help you raise capital if you want to start an online business without appropriate funding. It's going to help you stack up a lot of money if you don't know what to sell at this point. It's also going to help you it's also going to give you product ideas on what to sell, or how to kickstart your online marketing journey 2024 right now or in 2025. So my name is Vincent David, and if you're joining me for the first time on YouTube, welcome. So we're going to be going straight to the point, and I'll make sure that I don't leave any loose ends, and I'll make sure to also show you a playbook secret that works all the time and how you can apply it today. So stick to the end of this video because you're going to make shitload of money with the information you'll get here. All right, so in this mode, I'm going to be teaching you how to start an e-commerce business and make millions with the dropshipping model. So in this model of e-commerce business, you ain't going to be needing a whole lot of money to purchase product. You ain't going to be needing a whole lot of money to web product and all of that. I'll be telling you what you're going to be using. And if your goal is to raise money to start e-commerce properly, this is your go-to business. If you go-to model, if your goal is to earn passive income, this is your go-to model. Like every channel or stream of income, you will need to put in a little work. Even if it's passive or active, you need to put in a little work. So I'm not saying that you sit at the comfort of your home and everything just comes to your hand, everything that comes to you handy. No, you need to put in a little work if you're going to make progress with this model of e-commerce business. All you need to have is money for domain name and advert only. Yeah, all you need to have is money for domain name and advert only, money for Facebook advert and all of that. So if you don't know how to purchase a domain name, and the hosting is quite simple, you could go to YouTube after watching the information in this video and type how to purchase a domain name from domain savers, or how to buy .com and hosting. You can do it yourself. Now, I think purchasing a domain name and hosting right now should be about 30,000. I don't know how much it costs now. But back in the day, it should be 8,000, 7,000, or it should be more. It's no longer I bought a domain name. Now, all you also need is money for advert only. And money for advert only, we're talking about 50 to 100K. So give and take, we'll be doing 130 to 150,000 as that money you need to start. And compared to the fact that you need over 3 million, over 5 million to start a profitable e-commerce business now, I believe this is a steal. And I believe this information is going to help someone, or is going to be very, very valuable to someone, right? Okay. So I'm going to be showing you how to in 7 solid steps. So I'm going to be showing you 7 solid steps, and I don't want you to miss out on anyone. So stick to the end of this video, because what I'm going to be showing you is actually very, very big. So let's go straight to the point. The first thing to do is to pick a niche. Yeah, if you're going to do this model of business, you must respectfully, or you must pick a niche and remain there. And I'll tell you the reason. This is not just another pick a niche you hear me say, or hear anybody that produce content on YouTube say. Pick a niche because most of the people you're going to be dropshipping from are niche stores. Yes, they're going to be niche down. Most of the people that you want to purchase from do not sell in different niches. Some of them have niche loyalty because they are proper business owners. I don't want to go ahead with myself. They are proper business owners, and they are known for selling something. Just the way in a market, somebody is known for selling a particular thing. These people are known for selling particular stuff, right, over time. So you would want to pick a niche. Okay, you want to pick a niche. That's the first thing to do. You want to pick a niche today. All right, so next thing to do is to do your market research. All right, so you have to do your market research. Market research in terms that there are markets that are moving and there are markets that are not moving. All right, some markets are moving, some markets are not moving. You don't want to plunge into a market that is not moving. You don't want to put your money into a market that's not moving. Being that we're trying to conserve capital and we're trying to cut in on cost, so you don't want to be in a market that is not moving, or you don't want to be in a market that you will throw money and it will throw out a couple of money for you. Now, if you observe in Nigeria, we have a couple of markets that do not do well. I'll keep saying it. For example, there are markets that do well in Nigeria a lot. The car accessory market does well here. The masculine accessory does well here. Fashion does well here. Female fashion does well here. But a market like pet niche, will not do well in this country. For instance, people will not go and buy feeding clothes for their cats, or people will not go and buy feeding spoons for their dogs. It doesn't work. Like that, those markets do not work. Those sort of market do not work here because of the terrain or the environment of our culture and the type of the type of cultural practice and the environment we find ourselves. So some markets actually do not work here. So you must be able to do your market research. You know that solidly you started. And if you want to invest in market research, use Google keywords. Use some free tools to do market research. Use Google keyword planner. Do your market research. Look at your search volumes. Ask AI. Ask your Meta AI on WhatsApp. Ask Cloud AI. Ask ChatGPT. Ask Copilot. Just do solid market research and work with available data. Because if you are trying to conserve money, you must be very meticulous. You must be very careful not to blow money and splash money out. Next thing to do is to build a sales page. This is like a no-brainer. You must build a one-page funnel. If you don't know how to build a sales page, I think there's a video in this channel on how to build a sales page. So let's say we found a product and it's a fitness product. It's a 3-in-1 fitness product. The abs burner, let's say the product is an abs burner. It's a back builder. It's for core abs. It's for the back and it's for the arm. All right. So the 3-in-1 product, fitness product. So you build a one-page funnel. That's the next thing to do. You build a one-page funnel. And if you build a one-page funnel, what it's going to help you to do is it's going to give your traffic direction. The difference between you and the dropshipper that you're going to dropship from is that he has lots of products displayed or multiple products displayed, but you are to conserve your traffic. You are to direct your traffic because directed traffic is targeted traffic. Like I said, the cross says that we're trying to mock up money, we're trying to mark up money, or we're trying to raise capital, we're trying to conserve the money we've got. So you must build one page funnel for direct traffic. So our dropshipping platform is going to be Jiji. All right. So you go to Jiji and look for a vendor. I think I've got about 2 videos here on how to use Jiji on this channel. Just look for it. I'm going to target to this video if I will remember. So you're going to go to Jiji and look out for a vendor on Jiji. So look out for a vendor on Jiji. That's the next thing to do. Now, when you look out for that vendor on Jiji, okay, let me dwell here a little bit. When you look out for that vendor on Jiji, the next thing to do is to chat up that vendor. All right. So you chat up the vendor and tell the vendor, hello, I would give you a script to use. Hello, my name is so. Okay, no need to say your name. You say hello. I wish to partner with you to sell some of your products. So you ask, do you prefer a call or do you prefer that we chat? Person will say, okay, call. Person will say, okay, chat. So this is what to do. So the thing is, you are then going to, okay, let me not get ahead of myself. Let me just go with the steps because I'll tell you what to do or how to start up the dropshipping structure. So filter your Jiji set to Lagos and Abuja vendors only. Yes, because we don't have capital to do a lot of way bills, because we don't have money to do a lot of stuff in this model of e-commerce, make sure you filter your Abuja set. You filter your Jiji sets to Lagos and Abuja vendors because our adverts are going to be targeted to only these 2 places, right? And if you underestimate Lagos economy, you're playing. You're really playing. There's no state. I don't think if you put together 7 states economy, 7 state economy in this country, it comes to par where Lagos is. Lagos is high above the roof. Sometimes what we make from Lagos only is more than 50% of what we make from other states every week. I'm not even joking. Lagos is a money guzzler. When it comes to selling online, it's a money guzzler. Even if you're going to Lagos only, you make a shitload of money. All right. So while doing filter your sales to Lagos and Abuja only. Now, when you get an order, what you then do is you give. Now you don't have the product. The person that has the product is your vendor on Jiji. The person that has the product is your vendor on Jiji. All right. So when you get the product, what to do after you get the product is you run an order for it, you run an ad for it. Target your ad to Lagos and Abuja only. If you want to learn how to run Facebook advert, about 3 videos in this channel, please look out for it. Now, when you run an ad for that product, when you get a delivery for Lagos and Abuja, you give it to your Jiji vendor. Your Jiji vendor will now be the one to deliver the product and remit the profits to you. I've done this when the days were bad. I'm telling you, you just need to put in a lot of work, a little work to convince these people. They want to sell. Nobody wants to have redundant products in their shop. All right. So tell them, hello, I'm trying to sell stuff online and I want to sell one of the products. I'm going to add 8K markup, 8K profit to it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is when you get the item, it's in Lagos here, please deliver, collect your money, and remit profit to me. They will remit to you because they don't want to lose their. Someone will say, what is the role of my money? They don't want to lose their Jiji accounts because if you report them, they will put them down because they know how many sales they get from there. Even you came from there. Number two, they don't want to. They are physical store owners. You ask them for their address. You can even go to their shop and see them and negotiate with them. You understand? Number three, they have products in massive quantity. You get that? So the only problem with this model of business is that when you stop selling is when your vendor's product finishes. And most times, if you tell them to restock, they will restock. We've done this over and over again back in the day before we started restocking product on our own. All right. So they'll and would they do pay on delivery? Yes, they'll do pay on delivery because it's Lagos and Abuja only. All right. So if will you have failed delivery? You have failed delivery, but it will be very minimal. If you convert your customers well, you will know if they're very serious or unserious. So when you get the order, you give it to them, they remit to you, and you make a lot of profit. You can rake in profit of 8K. If you're doing 8K profit, if you deliver more than 50 in a week, if you deliver 10 in a week, that's 8K, 20, 160K, 40, 340K. What's that called? 50 should be 420K, I believe. 420K in a week. In a month, that is 1.640 million. So that is on pure profit, right? Now you have to minus your advert cost and all of that. So if you minus your advert cost, you should be near around 1 million naira a month. That's cool business. I don't know. 1 million naira a month is not. If you say it's not a big deal in this country where I'm shooting this from, or your country where you're watching this from, you are delusional, for the lack of a better word. Sorry, you're just being delusional because 1 million naira pay profit is a big deal. It's a big. Go and read the tax reform that is coming. You will see that it's a big deal. You get that? So it's a big deal. It's a big deal. So what I'm trying to let you know is that this model of business is very accurate. It works every time. And I want you to drop ship to millions. If you can do that number, scale it up to 10 months, scale it up to 12 months, scale it up to 1 year, you would make a lot of millions doing the dropshipping model. And you'll get to a point where your supplier in Jiji will start giving you products on credit. They'll buy, they'll say, we're importing a container, come and carry 100. You now have your own products, can start nationwide. These things have happened over and over again. I can't even begin to emphasize on this. It's very powerful, and I want you to plug in, get started, and get moving today. See you on the other side. Thank you. All right, can you add this? You can use this to raise a lot of money like I did before. All right, okay. So see you on the other side. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now and see you in the next video. Thank you.